Bro, I was in the middle of recording that, and then I got a phone call, so I stopped it, and I'd like closed Minecraft too, so I just like lost some elo in the middle of a fight, and then like I picked up the call, right, and it was just nothing the whole time, like come on now. But yeah, we're gonna play some more Minecraft. um yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take a big shower after this one, dude. I need to shower. I smell like garbage. It's like it just hit midday. It's just 12:04 p.m. right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's queue the game. I plugged in this other mouse, the G-Web Skull Mini. Had this one for a while. I just never really used it. But it's okay for the game. The buttons, like the shape is a bit too small for my hand. For Minecraft. For other games it's really good. This is like my favorite mouse that I've used shape wise. But it's just bad for Minecraft. It's just like good, but I don't know. It's really good for fingertip grip, which I don't use that. So I want to try though. Well, I don't know. It's just like small enough that I can use it as a fingertip grip. This guy's really, really bad. I'll say that, and then I'm gonna get 12 potted. Okay. I think I'm gonna try normal clicking on this because it's easier. I've been trying to relearn how to do that. I used to be able to get like 11 to 13 CPS with normal clicking, which was too much. And then I got a fucked up finger after that. I couldn't. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be normal clicking, but whatever. Wait, didn't I kill this guy before in like the last Elo series? Oh, I just keep wasting pots. Jesus Christ, and I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna get like 12 potted. Oh my god. Yo, it's so easy to block it. Yo, I see why these auto clickers. I auto click too sometimes. Off camera auto click. Most of the time I'm not auto clicking though, so don't worry, but you know, I do auto click off camera. Don't tell Dukes that. Oh my god. Yo, I'm fighting with like 8 CPS, bro. This is not good. This guy's probably getting like triple mine. Let me eat. Let me eat. Let me eat. I'm gonna regen that. Yep. Yo, this guy's like aim assist or something. Or he's just auto clicking. He's probably auto clicking. Well, he's on Lunar client, so he's probably like more than likely cheating than if you're on Cheatbreaker. I know I'm on Lunar too. I get more FPS on Lunar. It's bad. I'm clicking 8 CPS against this guy. This is not good. Alright, yeah. I got 2 potted, or more than 2 potted. I had blocked hits though. I got that blocked hits on lock though. But I was clicking 8 CPS the whole time, so I don't know if that's really worth it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna try that again though. Come on. I should order some more food. Yo, I want to take a shower. No, I don't really live up to the name, but you know, Stinky man really up in the cut right now. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should just be stinky, you know? No. That's not funny. We're gonna butterfly click this time. Oh my gosh. We're gonna try more movement. And we're gonna get 12 potted because this guy is aim assist. Ah! Ah! Gah! Oh my gosh, I missed that. I fumbled that putt so bad. And I've wasted more putts. Wow, I'm the best. I'm really the best player right now. I'm most underrated, guys. Nah, bro. No eating. Oh my gosh. Oh, this guy really wants me against the wall, Okay. Gonna get us some hits back. This guy probably negated it with all the blocked hits. Ah, you mother trucker. Yo, wait, I thought I would win that. Damn. Okay. I guess I just don't block enough hits. We're gonna wait for that guy to finish queuing because I don't want to queue that again, you know. Try to queue someone legit this time. I'll hop on EU. Hop on EU. How about that? Oh yeah. Yeah, wait, there's more people on EU. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yo, Gerald's? This guy still plays? Alright. That's cool. I should really get into some other game modes on this server because, like, goddamn, no debuff is not it right now. For the past, like, 3 years. Or whatever. If you played in Lunar in 2019, like, yo. I don't know, people had the same complaints the whole time. People always thought, they were always saying, the game is dying, the game is dying. This is the worst season ever. They're saying that the whole, like, every single season, and then they look back in, like, 2 years and say, man, those times were the best. It's, like, rare. Like, I remember in 2020, people had the same complaints they did about the game they had now. It's like so many cheaters. No, like it's horrible. And then like now they're saying, man, 2020 Lunar was the best. It's like, yo. We'll see in like 2 years. They're gonna be kind of like nostalgic about these times too. This guy does not have a 9 to 5. I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. I don't either, but like, goddamn. I'm getting another fucking call. Hold on. Sorry about that guy. Yeah, I got this game, Duet Night Abyss, because I heard it was good. But it's like, damn, the launcher is the same as like every other game. Hold on, let me show it to y'all. Like, look at this. Like, this is the same thing as goddamn Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact. Like all those anime games have the same launcher. Like there's gotta be like a template for these or something, like a game engine that they all use. All right, let's queue again. I think I'll do like 2 more games and then I'm gonna go take a shower. Cause god damn, I need to order some food too cause I'm hungry. What should I get? I'm gonna spend like $50 today on food. I don't know. Maybe I should just take a little break. How much you want to bet this guy's not legit? I just spiked to 150 ms. Oh, nice. I want to start playing like an FPS game, but the only ones I enjoy are like Roblox ones, and it's like I don't want to play Roblox. Like, who do you think I am? Yeah, but it's like I don't know. I've been playing a bit of Kovacs a little bit. It's not that fun, but it's like the most fun out of. Yeah, like I have such a like weird sense of enjoyment. I like really simple games. I don't know. I might play some Devil May Cry. I want to start playing that. I want to play Silent Hill 3, Fatal Frame. I heard Fatal Frame was really good. I think I might start with that. I don't know. I want to play like a bunch of them. I'm not really that good with horror games though, so, but I don't know. I'm not gonna let that stop me. You know, I never played FNAF. This guy's laggy as hell. Yeah, I gotta play some FNAF later. I gotta try it at least. I never play any of them. I should really play that. This guy's... Am I lagging? Or is he lagging? I think I'm lagging. Try to get this win. Oh, we're both lagging. The server... The MMC has been so ass recently. Like... I don't know if y'all have played it. This video is gonna come out in like a week though, so... well, we'll see, but... Yeah, we're both lagging. This server is like really bad. EU, man. It gets more players than NA though right now. Like, I never seen more than like 10 people on ranks, except for the starter seasons, which is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna not order any food. Just save my money, because Jesus Christ, am I spending a lot of money. I'm gonna lose this fight. Yeah, like, I've missed so much pots. I don't even know if I have more hits. Yeah, that's 20 elo gone. I got 5 potted by Agdu with 800 elo. Oh, like, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. We'll do one more game and then I'm off. Cause, like, goddamn. Yo, I need to take a shower. If I get another phone call, I'm probably just gonna log off the game. Because I don't know, I do not care about you that much, right? But it's like, come on now. I'm gonna try to lock in this time. No talking, no talking. my god! Yo, 6 blocked hits. Oh my god, he was winning on the pause. Oh my gosh. Yo, I should not have won that, but whatever. That's cool. I won that. That guy was teleporting everywhere, yo. Y'all saw that. But yeah. I don't know, dude. Like, I could beat, like, Dribs T and Fron, and I can't beat an 800 elo player. Like, what am I doing right now? Whatever. I'll see y'all later then.